Homework for Thursday. Which equation can be balanced with the number 7? So we're going to balance all these equations and figure out which one has 7 in the blank. So I like to draw my line to my equal sign and solve the full equation. So 6 times 4 I can solve. 6 times 4 is 24. Now we solve over here. 5 times 3 is 15. What plus 15 is going to get me 24? If you don't know that off the top of your head, you can do 24 minus 15. Solve that now. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So we can get 9. 9 plus 15 equals 24. That is not balanced with a 7, so I can eliminate A. B, 15 minus 8 equals blank minus 2. So we have to solve what 15 minus 8 is. Gotta borrow 15 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 7. So we have to figure out what minus 2 gets us 7. So I'm going to add 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 2 equals 7. That did not use a number 7 to balance it. It was tricky because the answer was 7, and some people would have put that here, but that doesn't balance the equation. Okay, 14 times 2. We got to multiply that out. 14 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 28 over here. What times 4 gets us 28? Not 4 times 1. 4 times 2. I'll skip count. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. And that's 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here's our patterns. We have to figure out which of these answers fills in the correct blank. So we have square, triangle up, square, triangle down, square, triangle up, square, it would be triangle down, and then another square. So which answer choice best matches that? That's C. All right, here's a word problem for you. Karis needed 34 hot dog buns for the football party. There are 4 buns in each package. How many packages does she need to buy? So when you're reading this, I want you thinking about, is this an addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division word problem? So look at all your answer choices. All your answers are smaller than 34, which tells me we're not going to multiply, and we're probably not going to add. So we are either going to subtract or divide. Now think about it. There's 4 buns in each package. We have a total number of buns, and think of passing those out to people. That's going to be division. So we have 34 divided by 4. We got to figure out how many packages do we need to buy. So I'm going to solve this traditional. 4 can't go into 3. So we have to figure out how many times can 4 go into 34 without going over. So if you think about your facts that you know, 4 times 5, let's start there, that's 20. Well, it can go in more than that. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. Whoa, we're close. Let's see. What's 4 times 9? 36. So 4 times 8 will work. So subtract that out. Sorry. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 0. So we have a remainder of 2. Now remember, that means 2 people are not going to get hot dog buns. So we have to buy another package. Right now we have 8 packages, but 2 people aren't going to get buns. So we have to buy another package, which means we would have to buy 9 packages. Can't have someone not eating their hot dog in a bun. All right, next question. Sean spent $42 on pizza and sodas. She spent $15 on sodas and the rest on 3 pizzas. If the pizzas all cost the same, what did one pizza cost? Alright, so this is more than one step here. We have $42 on pizza and sodas, but then we figure out $15 of it was spent on sodas. So we can take 42 and minus 15. Because we know how much the sodas cost, we're trying to figure out how much all the pizzas cost and then how much one pizza costs. So we subtract this out, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so we got $27 is how much all the pizzas cost. Now we take 27 and we divide it by 3 because we're figuring out how much did each pizza cost. Okay, so we take our 27 and what times 3 gives you 27? Nothing, or we have a remainder. So let's do 8 times 3. Okay, 8 times 3 is 24. Remainder 1. Nope, messed up on that. 27 divided by 3 is 9. And that's 27. So each pizza costs about $9. I had a remainder of 3, which means I did my math wrong. $9 for each pizza. Okay, now we have some in and out boxes where we have to figure out the pattern and some missing numbers. So we put in 3, you get out 18. You put in 5, you get out 30. You put in 10, you get out 60. You put in 2, you get out 12. So our numbers are increasing, and they're increasing by a good amount. So it's going to be big jumps, which means we're going to multiply. Well, what times 3 gets you 18? What times 5 gets you 30? What times 10 gets you 60? Those are all 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 8 times 6, 48. Next one, finding the rule. You put in 4, you get out 2. So our numbers are decreasing. You put in 18, you get out 9. You put in 16, you get out 8. You put in 10, you get out 5. So these are kind of half of each other. So we can divide these by 2. So here we get out 7. So to go back, we double it, which is 14. Okay, social studies. A technology company wants to relocate to Virginia. Which region is the best one to start their business in? Well, think about where technology has majority of the jobs. It's in the rolling hills, which is the Piedmont. Number 2, driving through the countryside, you saw a sign that said, "Welcome to the region known as the land at the foot of the mountain." What Virginia region are you in? Same one with rolling hills. Number 3, once spring arrives, Algonquin Indian tribes change their diet and begin A, fishing more, B, hunting deer, C, planting corn, D, gathering berries. So what do they do in the springtime? They're definitely fishing. They hunt in the winter. They plant corn in the summer. They gather berries in the spring. Number 4, from the state of Tennessee, you would travel blank to get to Manassas, Virginia. So this is thinking of our bordering states. Here's Virginia, here's Maryland, West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee. And here's Manassas. What direction on a compass rose would that be? This way.